Hi friends, welcome to the online course on Programming in Python by Hemant Academy. In this session, we are going to see about ASCII, Unicode and escape sequence characters. ASCII, the American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is a common encoding standard used in computers to represent characters. The 7-bit representation has 127 ASCII characters. The first 32 characters, that is 0 to 31, are control characters which are non-printable, that includes alert, backspace, escape, tab, new line, etc. The remaining 95 are printable characters, that includes a space, digits, symbols, and alphabets in upper and lower case. Unicode. Python's string type uses the Unicode standard for representing characters, which lets Python programs work with all different possible characters and supports internationalization. The Unicode standard describes how characters are represented by code points. A code point value is an integer in the range of 0 to 0x10ffff, that is about 1.1 million values. Please note, the actual number assigned is less than that. Escape sequence characters. Escape sequence characters are also known as non-printable characters, which are having special meanings in Python. These characters starts with a backslash followed by a character. The most commonly used escape sequence characters are /n for new line and /t for tab space. The standard escape sequence characters are /single quote, /double quote, double slash, /a for alert, /b for backspace, /f for form feed, /n for new line, /t for tab, etc. Some library functions which are useful in this context are chr, returns a Unicode string of one character with ordinal I. ord, this function returns the Unicode point for a one character string. String object dot is printable. The isPrintable method of a string object returns true if all the characters of the string contains printable characters. Otherwise, returns false. That is, if at least one non-printable control character is part of the string, then it will return false. Let us see this in practice. Consider the following values, that is txt1 equal to hello world, txt2 equal to Raman's effect. To print a single quote as part of the text, use /single quote. Now print the value of txt1 and txt2. txt3 equal to some text. For example, winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. The quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Let us print the above quote in 3 different lines within double quotes in the output and also with leading tab spaces. Note, we have combined different escape sequences and it can also be used any number of times as per requirements. The txt1 dot is printable, txt2 dot is printable, and txt3 dot is printable. All will return true, since the content of the string object contains only printable characters. We know that CHR function returns the character of a given radial value, that is CHR 65 will return capital A. To print a character of a given octal value, use /octal number. Example, print /101 will print A. In the same way, to print the character of a given hexadecimal value, use /x and hexadecimal number. Example, print /x41, which will print capital A. Please note the value 101 prefixed by slash is an octal number and the value 41 prefixed by /x is a hexadecimal number. txt4 is printable, which returns false since it contains non-printable characters as part of the string. We will see string functions in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates.